Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to omit the first line in Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. Open your Excel worksheet and you need to click on the selected row heading represented by a number located on the left side of the spreadsheet. Now mark the first row you want to omit. Now right click and choose the option delete, and that's all you need to do. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other video by Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.